Welcome to IPS. Good morning, students. This is our lecture number 16 for 8th standard. You know that before this we have finished our chapter number 4 only for the explanation part. So today we'll do the exercise. Please open your page number 29. Page number 29, question number 1. Test yourself. Fill in the blanks with older, elder, oldest or the eldest. Okay. So already I have written here. So she is the dash of two sisters, elder. Second, the nephew is dash then his uncle. The nephew is older than his uncle. The elder of his two sons is my friend. My father is much older than my uncle. Raman is older than Hari by 2 years. Mr. Kapoor's eldest child is a son. This is the dash temple in our town. The oldest. 8. Mona is the eldest of my uncle's 3 children. 9th, that is Antonio the duck's eldest son. Mr. Smith is the oldest European resident of this city. Okay. Now, here we have using older, elder, oldest or the eldest. In question number 2, we have to use latest, last, later or later. Question number 2. First, who was the last Mughal emperor? What is the latest news from house? Third, the latest time I saw her, she was not well. 5. The dash news from China is disquieting. 5th, latest. 6th, the dash time I saw him, he was in high spirits. So, 6. Last. 7. Today is the last day for receiving tenders. 8. Rajni came later than Seema. She found happiness in her later years. 10th, the match was postponed to a later date. 11th, the later half of her life was full of difficulties. 12. Riya and Tia are twins. The later is more intelligent. Pay your fees in time, otherwise later you will have to pay the fine. 14. The majority accept the latest or the last proposal. 15. Is there no latest news on TV? So here we have finished question number 1 and question number 2. So please you have to fill this with your pencil in your textbook. I am giving you time to take a screenshot and we'll start the question number 3 over here. Question number 3 is point out the adjectives and name the degree of comparison of each. Okay, chalo. Question number 3, point out the adjective and name the degree of comparison. Comparison of each. Okay, now here we have to point out adjective and the degree of comparison. Okay, question number 3, page number 30. First is poor. First one is poor. Poor is positive. Happier. Poor is positive. Happier is happier. Comparative. Comparative. Okay, first is done. Second, less. Positive. Third, slight. Positive. Fourth, stronger. Comparative. Fifth, west. Superlative. Sixth, best. Superlative. Seventh, simple. Positive. Good. Positive. Eight, slightest. Superlative. Nine, sharper. Comparative. Ten, open. Positive. Secret. Positive. Better. Comparative. Okay. Now, first one eye is rubbing. So we'll continue here. I hope आपने इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया होगा. Eleven. Last is open is positive, secret positive, better is comparative. 10. After that 11. 11 is idlest. Superlative. 12. Fair. Positive. 13. Much. Positive. 14. Much. Wholesome. Yes. Positive. 15. Wiser. Comparative. Okay. So question number 3 is over. Half is here and half I have written this side. So you have to understand by this. Point out the adjectives and name the degree of comparison of each. Okay, so we have 15. So we have finished it here till 15. First is the poor woman had seen happier day. Poor is positive, happier is comparative. Second, make less noise. Less is positive. Third, that child has a slight cold. So slight is positive. Fourth, a live ass is stronger than a dead lion. So stronger is comparative. 5, Solomon was one of the wisest man. The wisest is superlative. 6, hunger is the best sauce. So hunger is the best sauce. 6, best is superlative. 7, his simple word is as good as an oath. 7, simple is positive, good is positive. 8, there was not the slightest excuse for it. So slightest is your superlative. 9, my knife is sharper than yours. 9th is sharper and the comparative. 10, open rebook is better than secret love. Open is positive, secret is positive, better is comparative. 11. 11 is Hari is the idlest boy in the class. Hari is the idlest boy in the class. So idlest is superlative. 12. I promise you a fair hearing. So fair is positive. 13. There is much to be said on both sides. Much is positive. 14. He gave the boys much wholesome advice. So much wholesome is your positive. And the last is he thinks he is wiser than his father. So wiser is your comparative. So these three questions, 1, 2 and 3, you have to complete in your text only. Okay, with your help of pencil. Okay. After completing of question number 1, 2 and 3, now we are jumping on question number 4. Question number 4 is, supply the proper form, comparative or superlative of each adjective. Okay, chalo. So your question number 4, page number 30 and 31. Ready? So I am rubbing the second one. I hope you have taken a screenshot of this. Chalo. Question number 4. Here we have to tell about proper form of, supply the proper form of comparative or superlative of each adjective. First is useful. So we can write there, number 1, most useful. Second, nutritions, more nutritions, more nutritions. Third, prettier. Prettier. 4, greatest. 5, dear. 6, richest. 7, older. 8, excuse me, biggest. 9, idlest. 10, driest. 11, better. 12, hotter. 13, sharper. 14, more. 'more fishes. 15, so question number 4 is finished. Useful, most useful. Nutrients, more nutrients. Pretty, prettier. Great, greatest. Dear, dearest. Rich, richest. Old, older. Big, biggest. Idle, idlest. Dry, driest. Good, 11 में good, better, hot, hotter, sharp, sharper. 14 furious, more furious. 15 bad, worse, worst. Fourth is finish. So please finish it fast, and afterwards we have rewrite each sentence correctly, and we have 20. It is on page number 31. So please take a screenshot of this, then I will start. Page number 31. Question number 5. He is the abler of the 3 sons. He is the ablest of the 3 sons. Okay. I hope you have taken a screenshot of this. Now I am removing everything, and this is your last question. Okay, now we are doing with question number 5. Fifth question. Rewrite each sentence correctly. Okay, so we'll start writing. He is the abler of the 3 sons. He is number 1. He is the ablest of the 3 sons. Okay. Second, she is the wiser of the 2 sisters. Third, Vipin is no less clever than Nitin. Okay. Fourth, he is senior. He is senior. He is senior to me by 4 years. By 4 years. Fifth, he was the laziest of all boys. 6, This road is the shortest of all. Seven. Ravi is more intelligent than any other boy. Eight. Health is preferable to wealth. Nine. He is as clever as any other boy in the class. Okay. 10. He is cleverer than any other boy in the class. Okay, 10 is over. So we'll start from 11 from that side. 11. Knowledge is preferable to riches. 12. This pen is much cheaper than that. Thirteen. The Ganga is the holiest of all rivers. 14. The Taj Mahal is the Taj Mahal is more beautiful than any other building. Gold is most precious of all metals. 16. He was the most intelligent intelligent of all boys. 17. The population of Kolkata is greater than that of Delhi. 18. Oh dearest, one, when shall I see you again? 19. The streets of Chandigarh are wider than those of Jammu. Okay, last is 20, so I'm writing this side, writing down. This is the best and most, this is the best and the most powerful machine that I have seen. Okay, so here we have finished this chapter, fourth chapter, all the exercise I have done in this particular lecture. Okay, please take a screenshot. Thank you.